Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about XRP. We talk about XRP quite a bit on this channel because there is obvious potential behind what we see with XRP. We continue to see it grow. The last 24 hours, we did see a 2.62% decrease. However, the last week alone, about a 33.51% increase. So we're continuing to see some good growth here. Do remember, guys, I do updates pretty much daily on XRP, so quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video if you are an XRP holder. Jumping into the market cap, we have a $70.9 billion market cap, which is a fairly large market cap with that $9.3 billion of volume for the last 24 hours alone. The circulating supply being that 45.4 billion XRP. If you hold XRP, it's one of those that you have to keep a close eye on because it moves so frequently. It's a very volatile cryptocurrency, and that leads me to tell you guys I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so always do your own research before investing. But there will be price predictions at the end of the video for May, June, and 2021, so stick around to the end of the video for that. But let's talk about what XRP is and then jump into some of the news as well as coming right on back to that price chart and doing some analysis. So we do see, in the light of SEC's action against Ripple Labs Inc., trading in XRP has been suspended as of January 19th, 2021. So Coinbase actually dropped XRP as a listing, which I don't believe has happened for any other coin. We also see that XRP is a cryptocurrency used by the Ripple payment network, built for enterprise use. XRP aims to be a fast, cost-efficient cryptocurrency for cross-border payments. If we go here to the last month alone, we see a 172% increase. Obviously, we did have about $1.96 April 14th, which was not really our all-time high. However, it was our all-time high in April, because if we take a look at the last year, we did have a price, or I'm sorry, last all-time, we did have a price point of about $3.84 in that January 3rd, 7 p.m. mark. So we did have a crazy high, all-time high in the past January. But let's talk about, where we are going to be going in the future. Obviously, we want to get back to this $1.96, hopefully a $2 price point very soon. But, we are going to get very, very close here in just the next couple of days. And I want to talk about, some of these price spikes that we may be seeing in the next couple of days and weeks. So let's jump straight into some of the news first. So we're looking to build tomorrow's diverse fintech workforce. And step one, the University Blockchain Research Initiative, UBRI. Learn more about that initiative. It's actually a fairly awesome initiative. They talk about it a lot, so it's very important. I just wanted to point this one out to you guys. If you don't know what UBRI is, it's an initiative that is worth looking into. So definitely take a look at that. As if you hold Ripple, there is great information really to your benefit, really, that is capable of doing big things. So we jump on to the next one. We see RippleNet's line of credit solution helps our customers unlock working capital to grow their business and make global transfers more affordable. For more people, get the details in our blog. So they talk here about, really this line of credit solution helping customers get that capital to grow their business and really make global transfers more affordable, and obviously more people capable of doing this. So very big information there. We also see the SMEs are increasingly reliant on cross-border payments, yet 71% believe that these payments are problematic. Download the white paper to learn why their needs aren't being met and how financial institutions can tap this high growth revenue opportunity. So just more and more of Ripple really being smart about how they're kind of going into things. They're trying to grab all the investors possible, and they continue to see different kind of opportunities around. If we go right on back to the website, or I guess the Coinbase listing here, we can actually, not listing, but Coinbase price chart, we can actually click the website, ripple.com. If you guys haven't gone to ripple.com, I definitely suggest doing so. It's a great way to do that research. And it really talks about, XRP, the best digital asset for global payments. They talk about how XRP offers financial institutions the fastest, most reliable option for sourcing liquidity on demand. You can actually learn more about the liquidity on demand if you guys want as well. We won't go into that right now, but we're going to go down here and talk about what XRP is. So we've talked about what XRP is and why it's important, but this really gets you kind of a, not a deep dive, but a very basic dive into what XRP is and why it's important to us. So it really is why most investors are investing. XRP is a digital asset built for payments. It is the native digital asset on the XRP ledger, an open source, permissionless, and decentralized blockchain technology that can settle transactions in less than 3 to 5 seconds. XRP can be directly sent without needing a central intermediary, making it a convenient instrument in bridging two different currencies quickly and efficiency. They also talk about how XRP is used. So faster, less cost, and more scalable really than any other digital asset. XRP and the XRP ledger are used to power innovative technology across the payment space. So Ripple is focused on building technology to help unleash new utility for XRP and transform global payments. The third parties are really pursuing other XRP related use cases as well. So Ripple Net, they have a little bit more information on Ripple Net, Ripple X. There's just so many different use cases, and really they go over the benefits of XRP and payments, obviously being fast, scalable, distributed, stable, eco-friendly, and they talk about the XRP metrics here. So it is pretty cool to look into some of what XRP is doing and why their utility is so large, why there's so many different use cases for XRP right now, as we continue to see XRP move up in price. 172% in the last month. So here's what I'm going to say. When you have an increase like this 172%, most of the time you see dips or corrections, right? So we did see it kind of already dip. We saw it go from $1.96 April 14th. However, this this was a little bit of help from the crypto market dip. So we will continue to see, dip a little bit farther here, all the way down to about 97 cents, which is a crazy price point. If you guys were able to grab a bag at that 97 cents, you were able to get in at a very good price point and hopefully made a lot of money already. Obviously, you can take however you guys do your profit taking, but you're making some good money already. You're already looking like you're doing very well with XRP, but we have had a great increase already back to that $1.59 range, $1.60 range, $1.56 right now. And I do see a very bright future in May, June, and 2021 coming. So let's jump straight into those price predictions for May, June, and 2021. I do think XRP, like I said, has a great future. And because of that, I think by the end of May, we have a chance of pushing for a $2 price point. If we can get above that $2, we are going to be seeing a very high potential for June to do another big increase like we saw in the previous month. So I do think this is going to be a great year for XRP altogether. Obviously, with the SEC's action against Ripple Labs, we could see that dropping at some point, and we will see hopefully a price spike with XRP being listed back on Coinbase as well. Just a lot of potential in the long-term future as well as the short-term. So let's talk more about where we're going to see XRP in June. So June, I do think we are going to see XRP hopefully push right close to that $2.5 range. I think it's going to be able to push past that and maybe even more than that. So we do have that $1.96 here, and I think if we can pass that in May at that $2 price target, that would be fantastic. I think we might fall just a tad short, but $2 is that price target for May, $2.50 for June. Going into 2021, this is what everyone wants to hear because this is a great term, or I guess a great long-term project, and a lot of people are going to be holding it for most of 2021. So because of that, I do think, a lot of holders, a lot of new investors coming in. Hopefully the SEC action is kind of getting, died down at least a little bit by then, if not completely gone. We do see a lot of potential for that. So we see a $6 price point by the end of 2021. I think that's definitely a reasonable price prediction. Do remember, guys, I always pretty much keep reasonable, realistic, and conservative price predictions. So that is going to be my conservative price prediction. There is hope for much more than that, but do remember, conservative price predictions, no 100Xs here really, unless we're doing a Hidden Gems episode. So make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn the notifications on, and like the video if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and talking to me about XRP. I'll see you guys all in the next one.